Want to edit like a pro? Let's dive into the basic of DaVinci Resolve. Today, I show you how to get started with DaVinci Resolve by converting the most essential editing features like editing text, translation, cutting clips, and more. Even if you're a beginner, you're able to follow along. Okay, so let's make a new project. Okay, to start editing, go to Edit tab. Yes, this one. You have 6 steps here. So, right click, import media, and I download 2 sample videos for you. Okay, change. Here they are. Okay, drag it here. Great. These are the videos. Yes. Okay. Now let's cut the videos. Okay. Here's the blade, and now you can cut everywhere you want with the blade. I want to cut here and here, for example, and now delete it. Okay. You can add the black fade here and here black fade for the effect. Yes, you see? It's good. Okay. How to add text to the video? Just you go to Toolbox, click on Titles and grab text. Okay, and place it wherever you want in here, video 2. And now you have the text here. Yes, you can edit it here. Nature. Here's the font. I like this the most. This semi-bold. Yes. Okay, here you can add black fade too, so it looks better. Yes, you see. And here you can add some translation. In video translation, you can choose here. I like this cross dissolve. That's my favorite. I drag it here. Wait. Yes. You must trim the video a bit. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay. And how to add audio or music to your project? Just import media, and here you can choose some this one, for example. I have it from YouTube Studio. That's my favorite. Yeah, very good. I cut it now. No? Yeah. Okay, and you can add fade to the audio too, and now it's like this. Yeah, that's good. I like it. I like it. Okay, you can adjust the audio in here, Fairlight. Here's the color. I don't know how to make the colors, but here you can make the colors for the video. The lever is for exporting the video. Okay, I think we're done. I show you the video, the final version now.